Once you know why I mixed salt with aloe vera, you will never use another method again, even if it seems a bit strange. When you see why I am mixing these two ingredients, I confess that you will do it immediately once everyone has seen it and is fascinated. The ones you will get will be superbans. So don't skip a minute of the video, as you will learn this super trick of why you mix salt with aloe vera. Today, we are going to talk about a little bit of the multiple benefits of aloe vera, since if you didn't know, this plant has endless properties and benefits to our body. For example, aloe vera, it has 6 wonderful benefits, but why take this plant? Number 1, it controls weight because its juice contains many benefits for digestion and detoxification. It helps the body to have a stable weight, aids digestion, improves immunity, reduces stress, improves heart health, cleanses the skin, improves liver function. Aloe vera is a medicinal plant, whose use is very popular, and has been used for thousands of years and by different as in Greece, Egypt, India, Mexico, Japan, and even China. You can use it both for skin wounds, burns, sores and ulcers. What a dark disease aloe vera is. Aloe vera is a food supplement. It is taken orally or in drinks. It controls and relieves the symptoms of gastrointestinal, chronic problems such as constipation, irritable bowel, gastritis, and reflux, and it also works as an antiviral and antibacterial. Also, this super plant, in addition to those benefits, it is essential for weight loss. So today, I will teach you the correct way to prepare aloe vera water, to lose weight and at the same time receive its multiple wellness benefits for our health. But before you go any further, share this super video with someone so that they also know this valuable advice. How to prepare aloe vera water. For this water we will need 1 branch of aloe vera, salt, and 1 liter of water. How to prepare it is very easy. Start by putting in a pot some water, and adding 1 teaspoon of salt. Then we'll take it to the stove, and I'll put it on low heat. And meanwhile, with aloe vera already washed, we're going to cut it into pieces. Just like you're seeing there on the screen. And now I'm going to go to the stove and check if the water is already hot in a temperature that I can resist introducing my fingers into it, since it can't be too hot and not too cold. Now with the temperature I need, I'll turn off the heat and add the aloe vera pieces and let it sit for 12 minutes. This salt and aloe vera trick is to totally take the bitterness out of it. You will see that as time goes by, the water will turn yellowish, resulting in the total removal of the bitterness of it, and after that time, with an absorbent towel, I will dry all the aloe vera. And when my aloe vera is totally dry, we're going to cut its edges on both sides, and we're going to remove a piece of its bark, and with the help of a spoon we're going to extract all its gel. This gel, we will add it to a container together with the liter of water that we will drink. With my clean hands, we are going to crush all the aloe vera. I don't take it to the blender, since when the blender is used, aloe vera loses its properties. Already crushed, we will now add it to a container, and you can be taking it cold or at room temperature. This water, folks, you can take 3 or 2 times a day, and if you like to have the best flavor, you can squeeze the juice of a lemon. I guarantee you that the results you will have, both physical and healthy to your body, will be more than noticeable. Tell us what they call it in your country. Guys, the advice we give here is just a compliment to improve your health, having as a priority to always go to your trusted doctor to be taking care of your health, okay? Comment there if you would dare to make this homemade recipe, and if you got this far, leave me the word aloe vera, so I'll know you watched our video until the end. A big kiss, stay with God, and I'll see you in the next video.